Taki, pediatric speech-language pathologist, and I'm here today to help you work on speech and language at home. Welcome back to episode 3 of how to turn everyday objects into speech and language opportunities. Today, I'm going to talk about shaving cream. Shaving cream, you can really get anywhere. I got this one from the 99-cent store, and if you can't get shaving cream, you can also substitute it with hair gel or water beads, or if you don't like the wet, mushy stuff, then you can use dried pinto beans or dried rice, dried noodles, and then with the rice you can even put some food coloring in there to make it a little bit more visually appealing. So anyways, all of these sensory toys are really good to engage your child and work on their attention. In my past videos I've talked about how important it is to work on attention, but how do you do that? Well, these sensory activities. What it does is it engages your child through multiple senses, visual and tactile. And while your child is engaged and playing with the toy, then you can weave in some nice language opportunities. Remember that the best toy for your child is you. If you're having fun, then your child is going to follow your lead and also have fun. If you have a child who has some tactile sensitivity, meaning that noises are really too loud or they really don't like certain textures on their hand, like this boy Evan, he really doesn't like his hands to be dirty. So using shaving creams and then using it with other objects is a good way to build up that tolerance. Work on him accepting the fact that sometimes in this world your hands are going to get dirty, but it's okay. You don't have to freak out. We could just wipe it off. So with Evan, instead of just making him play with the shaving cream, I put it in a bag first. He can explore the shaving cream that way, and then I bring out a brush so he can paint with it. So it's a safe space that he can explore the shaving cream with and start growing that tolerance.
Look, do you want to touch it?
No.
No? Okay, we'll play with it in the bag first. Whoa!
Whoa.
You did it!
Wow.
All right. Now, do you want to put paint inside?
Yeah.
All right, what color do you want? Wow. What else do you want?
Pink.
Okay, what color?
Yellow.
Whoa.
Wait.
You want red?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. This is what it looks like. Okay, let's mix it around. What do you see?
I see the paint, the black.
Oh, I see paint. All right, do you want to paint with a brush?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's paint with a brush. Some right here. Whoa. Whoa!
Why?
More? What do you need?
Need napkin.
I need napkin.
I need napkin.
Okay, good job. Thank you for asking.
Wow. A color.
You see colors. Look, should we paint the boy?
Yeah.
Let's paint him. Paint. Is he clean or dirty?
Dirty.
He is all dirty. What do we need to do now?
A what?
Wash. Napkin.
Need napkin.
Let's wipe.
Okay.
Wipe.
I want clean.
Is he all clean?
No.
Good job washing him.
Oh no.
Oh no, what happened?
You need more. No.
More?
Yeah.
I don't want to eat it. Do you want to eat it?
No, you eat it.
No, I don't want to. Is he
No.
clean or dirty?
Clean.
Yeah. He's all clean.
Need help?
What do you want? Wipe off?
Yeah.
Wipe off, please.
What are we?
Haha. Is it clean or dirty?
Clean.
Clean.
Yeah,
All clean. Yay.
A dirty.
What'd you do?
Wash it up.
Oh, you want to wipe it off?
Yeah.
Wipe.
What?
Wipe.
What?
Yes. Good job. Ta-da.
Yay! A clean.
All clean. All clean.
Oh man. See, I did all dirty again.
Dirty again?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
More.
What do we need?
Need help?
So let's recap on the vocabulary that we worked on in just this short session. We worked on more, squeeze, paint, labeled paint colors, red, blue, and yellow. We worked on some opposites like clean and dirty, verbs like white, and then answering yes and no questions, requesting, and we even got some articulation with that final P on the end of the words. Some other tips for you while you're working with shaving cream: you can spray it on a plate and spread it out like a canvas and then write letters, numbers, or you can draw if you're gifted at drawing. And then you can combine it with almost any toy, and then you can also do the washing, clean, and dirty. Just a quick close to all of my episodes here on how to turn everyday objects into speech and language opportunities. There are definitely some common trends throughout these episodes, and no matter what activity I'm using, I'm always engaged and having fun. And remember that, again, you are the best toy for your child. If you're having fun, your child's gonna follow your lead. Surround that activity with language and really imitate, wait, model, let your child imitate, and focus on the activities so that you're not so focused on your child, say this, do this, copy me. You're just playing and having fun, and then you're gonna draw your child in, and then he's just gonna naturally start playing with you and imitating you. The language is just gonna come out. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Don't hesitate to share it with anybody that you think would benefit from it. Thanks for watching. Bye.